What's up everyone, it's Mike with liftedtrucks.com. We are up here in beautiful Eastern Arizona with this custom 2023 Platinum F-150 with some added accessories from our friends at Addictive Desert Designs. This truck features a custom front bumper with integrated rigid lights, a custom rear bumper, and custom inside bed rails by Addictive Desert Designs. It also features a 6-inch suspension lift with full-length struts, 20-inch fuel off-road wheels, 35-inch Nitto tires, and auto-retract power steps for easy entry and exit. This setup gives this truck great off-road performance and a super smooth ride on the street. With locations in Arizona, Texas, and Alabama, we have over 850 trucks to choose from, and we ship nationwide. For more information on this truck or any others, go to liftedtrucks.com.